use a dustpan to transfer a swipe from here. And I think I'm going to use mostly blues and some red violet, some yellow green, and we'll see what happens. But I want to show you, this is a 12 by 12 tile. I'm going to transfer it to an 11 by 14 canvas. So first we're going to do our swipe and see how we like it, and then we'll transfer it to we will transfer it to a canvas. So I'm kind of excited about this. I'm going to use up some colors I have. This is Storm. So I'm just going to kind of put it everywhere. Try and get us a good swipe here. It's the end of my Storm. Storm's gone. That's okay. It's alright. I need to use up what I had of it. Alright. Now let's use up the rest of my QNAG too. Why not? Why not? Right? Might as well. Then I can make more. Then I can make some more. Have some for a pour for Friday. Let's see here. We'll see what happens. So I have very little QNAG left. So we're just gonna throw that in there too. I will have to make up more paints. It's mostly gonna be blues and green here. And some raspberry or red violet in there. Raspberry, where did I come up with that? I must not be thinking this morning. Okay, that one's done. Now let's go for some blues, and I just have a little bit left of this turquoise. So let's do it. See, look, see, I'm needing to do my paints. Make me some more paints up. This one aside. Those are donesies. Whoa. Sorry about that. Smacking the camera. Hold your horses. Let me get a cup of coffee or a drink here. All right, let's go with maybe we'll do this. Maybe we'll go ahead and put the red violet down. We're just putting lots of color on here, and we're going to see what happens. We're playing. because I want to try the dustpan. So, put that one up. Let's see, what are we going to next? I guess next we'll do the bright blue. Let's do the bright blue next. Bright blue. These are some wild colors here. I don't know how they're gonna look together. And then just stretched out. We'll see. We will see. Okay. All right. Maybe we'll put some gold in there too. Let's try some ore from TLP. Or TLP. Why not, right? Why not put everything we got on there? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, that's enough of work. Now, let's see here. We have some. Let's put the blue up. Hold on. That blue up. Let's go to that Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. One of my favorites. I need to order some. But not least, maybe should have put it in between those two, but that's all right. I don't think I hardly got any left. Yeah, barely have any left. We're gonna go for it. Put what I have left on here. That's it. Gone. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up through the swipes and I will just let you watch. And I got a smaller palette knife and did a couple more little swipes. And that's it. We'll see what happens. Alright, let's set this aside. So I'm going to speed this process up a little bit of just getting my paint, my pillow paint down on my canvas. And then I think this is the trick to the dustpan. I think putting paint on your dustpan first before you scoop up your swipe to transfer is the trick to getting your transfer, most of your swipe transferred over to the canvas. At least that's what I was thinking, and it did seem to help and work, so I will let you watch. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the tile at an angle, and I'm just gonna let all of them cells from my swipe run down into my dustpan. And then as I got the end of the swipe off, I started freaking out, because I thought, oh my god, my cells are going to distort. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, so I hurried up and transferred that swipe on over there. So this dustpan pour was inspired by the Friday with Friends girls by Bettina, Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk, and Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty. And they had their guest was Creations by Christy. And I seen them using the dustpan, and I was like, okay, alright, I'm gonna have to try it. So now I'm just gonna wipe the bottom of the canvas, scrape it off. We don't want paint sitting there, it'll pull your paint. I'm gonna pop these air bubbles and make sure all my sides, everything looks good, and I will bring you in for a close-up. We'll start off with the side view. I just love the deep edge canvas, and these colors just really, I was not expecting them to be so pretty. You just never know what's gonna happen when you're painting like this. Here are the dry results. It dried beautifully. It's like a rainbow of colors in there. A sea of rainbow. It's really pretty. Well, I really enjoyed this one, and just the beauty of the way it turned out, and the colors, how they lightened and made this pastel kind of colors. Just lots of fun. I really enjoyed this one, and I hope you did too, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.